Stay with us. Red color, red color. Silver color, silver color. Orange color, orange color. Light green color, light green color. White color, white color. Blue color, blue color. Light pink color, light pink color. Brown color, brown color. Dark pink color, dark pink color. Stay with us. Dark green color, dark green color. Black color, black color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Purple color. Today we draw writing, alphabets and numbers. Stay with us. Orange color, orange color. 1. First we draw and writing the alphabet of A. The next one is B. C. C for cow, C for cat. D. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. Dark pink color. The alphabet of G. The next one is H. H for hand. I for eyes. J for jackfruit. K. L. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Light pink color. N. N for nose, N for nest. O. The next one is P. Q. R for rice. The next one is S. S for snake. T. The next one is U. Yellow color. V. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Numbers 2. 1. The next one is 2. Dark green color, exactly. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. The last one is 10 in colors. Light, dark green color. Dark pink color. Red color. Orange color. Silver color. Yellow color. Sky blue color. Purple color. The next one is light pink color. Light green color. Stay with us. White color. Black color. Blue color. Brown color. Exactly. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Yes, orange color. A. The next one is B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for egg. F. F for fish. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we're using the color of blue. I. The next one is J. K. The next one is L. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, the next one is O. P. P for penguin. Now we're using the color of light pink. Writing the alphabet of number of 1. The next one is 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. SIX 6. Now we're using the color of silver. Writing 7. 8. The next one is 9. NINE 9. 10. Stay with us. Light violet color. Forest green color. Emerald green color. Geranium color. Black color. Vivid purple color. Pastel pink color. Persian blue color. Rose big color. Yellow green color. Cool gray color. Mint blue color. Stay with us. Mint blue color. A. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cow. D for dog, D for doll. E. E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. Exactly. The next one is G. Now we are using the color of geranium, writing the alphabet of G. The next one is H. I. I for ice. J for jackfruit. K for kite. L for lion, L for lemon. The next one is M. Now we're using the color of light violet. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose. The next one is O. O for orange. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Q for queen. Stay with us. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. S. The next one is T. Exactly, T. Yellow green color. U. U for umbrella. V for van. W. W for watch. The next one is X. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching, kids. The next one is numbers. Black color, writing the number of 1, 2. The next one is 3, 4, F-O-U-R, 5, F-I-V-E, 5, 6, 7. The next one is 8, the number of 8, 9, N-I-N-E, 9. The last one is 10, T-E-N, 10. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets and numbers. Thank you so much for watching.